Homework 6, question 2. For this part, we need to find the b so that the above definition function is valid joint density function. It is the same with the last one. We need to make the integral of the density function to 1. And we have already know the area of this part is equal to pi. And so that the b is equal to 1 over pi. And the second part, we need to find the e of x. E of x is mean to, firstly we need to find e of x was mean to use this function, the integral of x and of f of xy. After calculation, we know that is equal to 0. And for the second part, we need to find the conditional expectation given y of x, and we can use a function do the integral of x from for the x multiplied by density function of f for this one. And we have already know from the base function the conditional function is equal to the joint function divided by the density function of y, and so that we can know the density function of y is equal to do the integral of density function joint function of x1 and y. And so that we can know that the density function of y is equal to 2 over the pi multiplied by the root of 1 minus x squared. And after that, we need to find this one is equal to 0. And for the second one, we need to find the e of y, which we need to do the integral of x and y for y multiplied by f of x and y, which are also equal to 0. So that we can know that the e of y given by x is equal to 0. And also, if we want to know this x is a random variable, so it also equal to 0. And if we want to know the expectation of x and y, we need to do the integral of x and y for the function f multiply y multiply the function of x and y, and which is equal to 1 over pi. And this part of function is we needed. And after calculation, we know that this part is equal to 0. For the third one, we need to prove x and y are uncorrelated. If we want to know if x and y are uncorrelated, we need to know the e of x multiplied by y is equal to e of x multiplied by e of y. And we have already know from the part e of xy is equal to 0 and e of y is equal to 0, so this part must be valid. So x and y are uncorrelated, and